It's also a good idea to have 4 such drivers, screwdrivers.
Excuse me, what kind of driver?
Such wrenches. So right now looks aligned. You can double check it looking.
You lose one side and tight the other side
yes.
to check, to move.
Yes. What you can do now, you can look from both sides.
And excuse me, you use this hole to do that.
To eliminate. I'm looking from this side. In my opinion, there is little bit mismatch of the sizes.
You mean one of them is
One
wider?
of them is bigger, other is smaller. You can one side.
I can see. The lower one is bigger than upper one.
Yes.
It's very clear picture.
So I'm looking from one side, then I will turn the cell and look from the 90 degrees. So I will make sure that it's not like I was looking that way it was aligned, and this one it's not aligned. Seems that it's fine. Now I'm tidying. Not too much.
But it may cause again to...
It might cause, but not very much. Because it's not the final version. We still have a problem there. Then I'm making mark. What was the position? We found, because when we will turn 90 degree, or it will be it will be other.
You may lost from where you start.
Yes. We have to mark that this position was fine. Because now I'm going to open it, but before, again, I will look from top again. And what we will see that there is lots of those Newton rings. Newton rings are indication that your cell is not parallel. Your diamonds are not parallel. See there. There is a big empty space on one side and then lots of Newton rings on bottom. It mostly indicates that that part of the diamond cell, that they are touching to each other, and that is like that, it's hanging. It's like
it should be parallel, but right now
it's like that.
They have angle.
They have angle, so it means we have to pressurize this side. No, we have to probably that side is we have to open it more. How technically how it's doing?
The first question is how do you know this side is touching and this side is
experience? It's just from the look. That from that side you have more and more diffraction. I think.
It means we have more pressure here.
We have more pressure here. They are touching in this place. So what I am doing now, I am opening it. As it was like that, putting it on the table. Now we have to. We have a special scientific tool for diamond alignment, and I hope I have it. Precise instrument. I happened that after our
when you put this one inside that one, we don't have access to
toss. We cannot do too much with this anvil for alignment. Only that external. So such way it must be, everything must be done before. So again, I'm trying to.
I mean, these holes is belong to.
Which holes?
These holes,
This-
which we are using that one.
The-
It's
the-
for
the-
this one.
For this one. And
We don't have access to this one.
no,
Mhm.
during alignment, during when cell is closed, we don't have access to
Ah,
it.
understood.
Misalignment completely. Because inside cell was that inside screw was loose.
Mhm.
See, again, it's a little bit misaligned.
Just a little bit.
That way. Or I have to push a little bit that way.
Mhm.
And I'm losing this one. And I'm not losing completely, I'm just opening and closing it.
Uh-huh.
But do not tie.
Mhm.
And then I'm turning this one.
You are changing the position of darker one because darker.
Yes, because it's upper. Depends from which side you are looking,
Uh,
Because you
maybe
can
you
flip.
can. Mhm.
theoretically. they're still not touching right. Now they are touching together. And same story, you have lots of Newton rings. Seems that nothing. Touching like that. They are very much misaligned. You can see it by eye. Means, misaligned means not parallel.
Okay. From this side, how can you see that?
You will see it. See?
It's touch from
Yes.
this side, but from here they have, from this side they have some space. Am I correct? And also in middle of that,
See some shiny spot. That is the.
there's a hole.
That is the some kind of reflection. You see the some kind of light.
Ah,
It's some kind of reflection. And same you see from here, so you see that very certain, certainly. Have lots of those Newton rings around.
It means again they touch from one side and have angles from the other side.
Yes. And I believe it's only one solution here.
Maybe the seat have problem.
Seat. Ungluing diamond and glue. Could you help?
Green?
Unglue diamonds and glue them again.
Yep.
Perfect. That's not possible to align outside.
Oh, that's it. It's not glue.
Hmm?
A gluing is not good.
No, see, look. You're right.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
certainly very far from.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not.
So it's because they
Then
didn't
it's not,
do
not
glowing.
clear what happened. What happened before? It means who did alignment? Who was gluing to diamond before?
Oh.
Maybe there was not the correct, not a very well gluing of the diamond.
But you can say the problem right now is about gluing.
I most cases, because cell by itself is very good quality cell.
This side.
This cell. Seeds are almost always almost parallel. There is no variation.
The seat itself. So the
The
problem
problem
is
is
gluing.
connection of diamond and seed. So, what you have to do? Open the cell, unscrew seeds. You can do it probably by yourself, and then what? Drop into acetone. Yes, into acetone diamonds. You are dissolving in acetone, or you are just mechanically?
In situ.
Mechanically.
In situ.
To remove the
Oh, I just
hammer it.
the blade. There are some blades. So just do you use the same glue? The black?
No idea. No, it's not.
Oh no, this is different. This is polymer.
I think it's regular.
The glue is different from what you use.
Yeah, yeah. And that's it. So just use the blade.
Mhm. To remove the glue.
Yeah.
See, I probably can do like that.
Thank you.
Oh, here it came out. And it was not glued well. Okay. So here is one of your diamond. Just second diamond. Keep your pieces in your box, because our people are using same pieces. They will come, pick it, and tell that it was always there. Now next step is cleaning the
Diamond is just at the center.
the other diamond.
So, you think what is unique about this?
We usually have a normal diamond. This show. We have those diamonds with facets.
Uh-huh.
There are facets.
But this one is round.
Those are round.
So, which one is better? You just telling that one is better.
I believe those are better.
Mm-hmm. And more expensive?
I believe so. Because it's harder to make such thing.
Mm-hmm. So I
Good
think
idea
they
now.
don't know that they have a very good Anvil set.
Not who. I don't know who. What. I understand there is that your department was using it and then dropped that idea, and generally no one who would, they pass to your boss does everything. But it's very good system. In my opinion, it's nice.
Yes, they previously some other group use it, and just they gave all of these things to
To your boss, yes.
yes.
I will wash diamonds in this one. So it's still, they are still far from each other. Distance right now. See?
Just by pressing, you
You
bring
press-
it closer.
Pressing and rotate. Little bit rotating. So they are touching right now to each other. So it's the initial stage, they are touching. But they are far from good alignment. So I will take picture to show the with the better. Usually good idea to put that movable part up. Then, then you are have better access to the screws while you are aligned. So now we are looking from the top. parallelity of the diamonds is much better. You see only Newton rings, but not so much. Maybe. I will flip the side.
Excuse me, I forget. Why do you mark?
Because I can. There is 4 position you can assemble it back. More or less, it's touching that direction. Most. It's like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I will try to hammer that side. Mostly to push it that way. If you're not able to do with that, we will leave. This is not good, but